Much to not our surprise, the local Tesla thug, the guy who works for the state, Dylan Brian Adams, did $20,000 worth of damages to Teslas, and he was let off the hook. We might have predicted that yesterday. The Hennepin County Attorney's Office said they will seek diversion rather than criminal consequences. But those criminal charges remain on the table if he were to continue the vandalism, which I would suspect he'd be, if he's got any brain cells left, he'd be unlikely to continue the vandalism. So that means, if I'm interpreting this correctly, this wouldn't even show up on his record.
Seems that way. Yeah.
If he completes the...
How can they do that if...
All he has to do is provide restitution to the victims. In exchange for that, they will file pre-charge diversion to best facilitate those goals of securing restitution for the victims and holding Adams accountable. But, where do you put the police chief in this situation? The police chief, here's his statement. We did our job. We identified and investigated a crime trend, identified and arrested a suspect, and presented a case file to the Hennepin County Attorney's Office for consideration of charges. The case impacted at least 6 different victims and totaled more than $20,000. Any frustration related to the charging decision of the Hennepin County Attorney should be directed solely at her office. Our investigators are always frustrated when the cases they poured their hearts into are declined. In my experience, the victims in these cases often feel the same. I don't blame O'Hara for feeling put upon. What the hell are they doing?